Привет! Как дела? Today, I want to share with you some different ways of answering this question. How are you doing? Как дела? And you can also use some of these words for positive reinforcement if you love someone's idea or if you agree with them. Also, remember please, if you're a beginner, this is a great reading practice for you too. Поехали! Remember this word? How do you read it? Хорошо. Хорошо. Отлично. Отлично. Замечательно. Замечательно. Прекрасно. Прекрасно. Превосходно. Превосходно. Чудесно. Чудесно. Здорово. Здорово. In case you have troubles with reading long and difficult words in Russian, check out this video. All of these words are adverbs in Russian, and it's good to remember how to tell an adverb in the Russian language. Most of them would end with «о». Неплохо. Not bad. Неплохо. Нормально. Нормально. Ничего. Ничего. And there are also short forms to say it's okay, fine, not bad that are often used in messaging. Всё норм. Всё ок. Всё окей. Personally, I prefer saying всё хорошо as a general answer to a common question как дела. But if you feel like the things are not going well in your life and it's a person who has a genuine interest in it, you can also say не очень. Не очень. Так себе. Так себе. And if you don't feel good at all and you want to be honest about it, you can say могло быть лучше. Могло быть лучше. Плохо. Ай, плохо. Ужасно. Ужасно. Отвратительно. Отвратительно. So, let's practice. Choose a word that you like the most and that you didn't know before. Как дела? Отлично. You did great. На сегодня это все. Скоро увидимся. Пока.